Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dylan Monkoski here at JTech. We're going to go over his throttle body cleaning. You're going to take your intake off. You're going to get some throttle body and air cleaner. All you're going to do is spray this down real good. Get a lint-free rag and just clean it up. Since this is drive-by cable, I'm able to actually open this up with my fingers and spray up in there. So make sure you get past the butterfly itself. If this was a drive-by wire, I'd suggest unplugging the throttle body motor plug so the computer doesn't think that it's opening when it shouldn't be and closing on your fingers. Not a good time. So yeah. Presentation of a drive-by wire. What you would do is you would literally just unplug this, and then nothing will send a signal to close this down on your fingers. What we're going to do is we're going to go over why we clean the throttle body. Now, as you can see in this one's fairly clean now, but this throttle body right here, see all the carbon buildup up in there? It's pretty nasty. What this is doing is it's making the motor bog at low idle. Now what I mean by bog is the RPMs, they're not steady, and whenever, like, if you turn your power steering, it'll throw a load on the engine, which makes it have to adjust itself to keep it running. So whenever there's all this buildup in here, it counteracts with that.